Hi, I'm Kyle Tomlin, Executive Project Director for ATI Restoration. I've been working for ATI for 4 years out of the Sacramento, California office. SunWest produce over 6 different types of rice. They've got 27 silos that can hold about 30 to 50 semi-trucks per silo. During the fire, 25 of these 27 were damaged. The plant's made up of a tunnel system. The rice comes through that and it goes to all the different facilities. When the fire occurred, the fire department came out with the water cannons and filled everything with water. So this tunnel filled with water and had rice. Well, it set for 4 weeks while they were trying to decide what to do. The mold was so bad, there was rice growing on the floors. There was rice growing on the metal because of the situation with the humidity, the amount of water, and the wet and dark rice. We had to go in and do the mold remediation just so the employees could come into the lower tunnel. All equipment, all materials, all supplies had to come up by a hoist. We had 4 guys on a full-time basis just to get our equipment, material, and supplies up to where we worked. One of the most difficult situations was there was no power, there was no light. It was dirty, dark, and you couldn't see. So we had to run a full distribution with generators so we could plug in our negative airs, we could plug in our HEPA vacs, we could plug in the lights. And we were doing detail cleaning, so every single employee had to wear full PPE, hard hat with a headlamp just to be able to see to work. This went for 4 months without one single incident. We had almost everything you could have to push a company to its brink. It occurred in this loss. And they had time frames. They had to have it done quickly. We had to be mobile. We had to be versatile. And we ended up painting every single safety area in the facility. My team was very aware of any concerns of equipment that didn't work. Every time they would find something that wasn't working or wasn't safe, they reported it back to SunWest, and we were able to put it into our scope and develop it and clean it and make it safe. We had a full-time relationship with SunWest. We had to do everything we could to allow this company to be successful.